Please eat that.
There you go.
Oh, no.
Keep it up.
Such a bad idea.
No, no, no.
Are you crying? All right, so today we're gonna make some wings. We're gonna make some ghost pepper wings. See this right here? If you saw the episodes that we did with the grilled lobster roll and the shrimp po' boy in the background, you may have seen this little plant. Well, at the time, it didn't have these on them.
There you go.
Oh no. That's really hot, man.
It's bad.
That's a big one.
Oh.
Give me some eggnog. Places where my wisdom teeth used to be are throbbing.
Well,
The eggnog didn't work?
no.
So you're going craft single? Yep. What are we making?
Ranch dressing because it's the best dressing. Wings, tenders, salad, cereal, wherever you want to put it. I'm gonna start off with some garlic. 2 cloves. Get that all minced.
Oh, you're doing that super mince. Are you gonna do the thing where you put salt in it like they do on that fancy show?
All right. Scrape it in like that. Get all the juices out and grind it in there. So we got the buttermilk. You're gonna do a cup of that. Dukes.
Yeah. Still looking for that sponsorship.
All right, so half a cup of this, but we're gonna get about 3/4.
Yeah. Some lemon juice.
Yep. Garlic goes in.
What?
Hey-o. I don't know, somewhere like 1/8 of a tablespoon paprika. Sip of the whisk. We got the dill.
Yeah.
We got the pour over. It's like you're making a nice fancy cup of coffee for a hipster. Lid goes on. Glug, glug, glug. Like a cocktail for a hipster. And that's it. That's how you make ranch. It's gonna sit in the fridge for about an hour and a half. And that's ready to go.
A little hot. So we're gonna make ghost pepper sauce for the wings, and we're gonna start off with, we're gonna roast a head of garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and we're actually gonna roast it over there on the fire. Over there.
Yep.
Just a wee little bit of olive oil.
It's like my tears are spicy.
Put one in here. Doink. All right, right there.
Ingenious.
Man, put our garlic in there. Roast. Yep. We'll let that go for a while. I don't know, an hour. We'll check it. There we go. Roasted garlic.
Can we eat another one?
Yeah, I would love for you to.
Dude, I just started feeling better.
How can something so pretty do so much damage?
So we're gonna juice these real quick.
Okay.
This makes the hot sauce like have like it gives it some more sweetness.
Hey-o.
Next, we're gonna do 5 ghost chilies.
So 5?
5.
Is that gonna just be blazing hot?
Yeah. And here's our carrot juice.
Okay.
Boink. Salt.
Dude, that already smells amazing.
Or something. But sugar, which is super important. Do 3/4 of a cup. Is that 3/4 of a cup?
I don't know, man. I don't understand your math.
Cool. Last thing we gotta do is go get our roasted garlic. Let's go check it. Open up that oven. Oh, it's so high.
Stupid.
Yeah. Tell me that ain't some roasted garlic. Up on that.
So good.
That's some deliciousness.
Come on, kids. Super, super roasted, and actually a little smoked, which is pretty cool. It's like that stuff that they.
Well, at least it's not sticky.
What's that we learned in history? Greek fire, where they make that 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 lava that they shoot onto other ships and it sticks to it.
I didn't learn anything in history.
Yeah, well, it shows. Bruh, then tell me. Get on in there now.
And then you said we got some vinegar going
Yeah,
into?
with some vinegar. 20 ounces.
Okay.
22 ounces. We're gonna go put it over there on the fire.
Ooh, it smells
and
good.
we're going to reduce that down. At the very end, right before we put it on the wings, we're gonna throw some butter in because, you know, it's wing sauce.
And it's butter.
This is Brandon's special method.
A special double fry method. You know, there's other poultry that we cook in its own fat, right? So like duck confit, where it's actually cooked really low and slow in its own fat. Well, this is the same idea. We're gonna cook these wings low and slow, and what it's gonna allow them to do, it's gonna allow them to absorb a little bit of the oil, cook, get really nice and moist. We're gonna pull them out, let them sit for a bit, pop the heat up, and then we're gonna crisp them on the outside at about 400 at the very end.
So my goal with Dinner High Five is to only make enough money to be able to pay somebody to do the filming while we just like play around. That's the goal.
So now they have cooked at roughly 250 for about 10 or 15 minutes while we crank the heat up to about 400. They're cooked all the way through, but they're not crispy at all. We're gonna crisp them at 400. We're gonna dunk them in that sauce.
Crispy dunk.
All right, now it's up past 400, first batch. Oh yeah. I just kind of like a gut feel when they turn the right color.
Speaking of gut feel, how about them ghost peppers?
Woo!
Yep. Oh yeah. This is our sauce. It's reduced. Last thing we're going to do, because we're making wing sauce, we do a half stick of butter. Boink. Before we eat these wings, in honor of our beautiful ranch dressing, let's have some ranch soda. Yep. Oh yeah. It can't be worse than the ghost peppers.
No thanks.
It's got a really ranchy,
Some ranchy notes.
Sweetness to it.
it's got a ranchy bouquet.
There's definitely some dill.
Well, all right.
How did you even go in for a second?
That's horrible.
It's like a cream soda with ranch.
Yes. That's the worst thing.
Ghost pepper wings with some ultimate homemade ranch. Buttermilk, Duke's mayonnaise, of course, salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of paprika, a lot of black pepper, and then we poured it over some dill. Ghost pepper wing sauce, using ghost peppers from the plant that we grew, with some sugar, apple cider vinegar, fire roasted garlic, not just roasted garlic, fire roasted garlic on the fire. All right, here, you talk about it, man. Those are your wings.
Oh, the double fried. Double fried. Golden brown and delicious. We fried them low and slow at 250. Let them sit for a little bit, and then we popped them back in at 400. Let them cook for about 10 minutes. A good old coating on the outside.
We're about to get sauced. Ooh. Get that special glaze.
Man, it's so fancy. Look at this platter.
Oh my gosh. That sauce is fire.
Brandon, these are cooked perfectly.
Mmm.
Hit that.
Mmm.
A little bit of this right here.
Fantastic. Ghost pepper wings, homemade ranch.
We did it!
We did it! Woo! Did it! Try again.